Hello everyone, so today I am unboxing a power tool. Yay! I like power tools. So it is the Black & Decker 4.5 amp variable speed Jigsaw. Yay! So I got this today. I had one of these. Not this brand or anything, but it was a really old one that only had like the 2-plug kind of thing, and the blade broke off it, and it was a hassle. So I got myself a new one. It's probably a lot safer than the old tools, you know. So I'll be opening this up today. Yay. Always cut tools yourself, remember that. Bosses. Why don't you want to open? Oh. It would help if I actually opened the box correctly. Okay. Instruction manual, that stuff. And nothing else is in the box. Yay! So how is this is also a 2-plug one, which I thought was gonna be a 3-prong plug. Now I'm really hoping this came with blades, because I did not buy the blades. Good. It did come with a blade. So that's great. So it has blade holders, which I like, because, you know, whenever you get something and you have accessories to it, you always lose I can't talk. The accessories. And whenever you lose this, you find the accessories, of course, you know, that always happens. So yeah, I'll do another video on what I'm gonna be using this for very soon. So stay tuned, and you can see that whenever I make it. So goodbye.